What's up everybody, this is Force TV and today we're at Karzatech where we're going to be checking out the stuff they have. So Karzatech is your one-stop shop for laptops, phone accessories, chargers, pouches and all the stuff that you would need for your phone, for your laptop. Come by Karzatech and we'll sort you out. So today we're going to be reviewing the Asus Turf Gaming Ryzen 5 laptop. The box of the laptop looks super cool. We've got a cool packaging on the box. The box is supposed to come sealed. When you get it at Karzatech, the box will be sealed because this is a brand new laptop, which is what we do here at Karzatech. Alright, looking inside the box, the contents, we have the laptop. We've got the branding manuals and the packages. We've got the power pack, and then we've got the extension cable. Alright, so the charger on this Asus is a 240 volt 50 to 60 gigahertz and 2.5 amps. It has the standard needle point charger that connects to the laptop. On the outside, the laptop is a rugged edge. It's a very robust design. It looks very intimidating when you look at it. The design is beautiful, comes in a black standard color with the Asus branding on top in the standard silver color. Alright, at the bottom we've got the cooling fans. We also have the rubber grips, and then we've got the ICASA sticker, which shows that this laptop is ICASA approved. Alright, inside the laptop we've got the Ryzen 5 gaming sticker over there. We've got the NVIDIA GTX 4GB dedicated graphics. We've got the 8GB RAM, and we've got a terabyte hard drive with a 256 SSD storage. Comes with Windows 10 and 12 months minimum warranty. The keyboard looks good. The keys are not that raised, and when you switch it on, the keys light up into a single color, which then develops into multiple colors that flash on and off as the keyboard starts up. On the left side here, we've got the ports. We've got the LAN cable, we've got the HDMI, we've got the USB ports. It comes with 3 USB ports and the headphone jack. On the top here we've got the speaker, which means it has good sound quality, and then at the back we've got the cooling fans. Come through to Karzatech, pick up this laptop and have yourself a good time.